What are we doing, Pa?
We're going to Costco.
Come follow us on our journey of buying a case of lemons. Should we bring seltzers?
No. What are we doing here?
Well, I'm apparently getting hunted by pigeons. That was the second one that almost said that. But we're buying lemons.
For what?
For K-pop-up.
What's K-pop-up?
It's our lemon and coffee shop. Well, on wheels.
Lemon and coffee shop? We were selling lemons?
Lemonade and coffee shop.
Yeah.
On wheels. And we're going to be at Daikoku.
There's going to be a Daikoku car show in Daikoku NYC. We're going to pull up with the K truck, the Sambar, and pop up and serve the good people coffee, lemonade, Shirley's fresh squeezed lemonade.
Might come with flavors. That's a secret.
That's not a might. It's going to come with flavors.
Everything. We got to think about if it's cost efficient and also time efficient. Because that means you have to be in there with me.
Yep.
You can't just be the money man.
I know. So. Shout out to anyone living outside the city because this is what's going on in Costco, Brooklyn. What can this be? 15 minutes before opening.
I should get my pants. Better days.
We've had better days. Girlfriend, Costco. Just to give you an update on the truck, this is what it's looking like now. Shirley and I wrapped the whole pop top. We still have yet to do the bottom, but we'll get there soon. Yeah, she's gonna do it today.
It meets tomorrow. I want to like shave off some of the wood so we can at least get the whole front wrap too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. What she said. Nice job, babe. Shirley's got a little project for today while I edit. All this adhesive right here. She's gonna sand that next. But what she's wait, did you sand this?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I'm like over here.
Oh wow.
This is all sanded.
This is very sticky.
I know.
Anyways.
All that junk.
Yeah.
But I did cut all of this under here.
She
and I sanded it.
The wood. So it's not scraping. Well, we're gonna have to cut this maybe.
Yeah, I needed help with that one.
Okay.
I might need to just chisel that sideways, kind of like I did over here.
That's exactly what I told you to do. Yeah. Anyways,
well, we're gonna cover it with wrap then.
And then.
Yeah, bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna cover this with wrap too. I want to cover all that with wrap.
Little working girl today.
Monroe, my allergies are killing me.
Poor baby.
Yeah, no. Are you doing like a great?
Huh?
Did you eat another cookie?
No.
You have the evidence in your.
That wall's done. These vertical panels are done.
Oh, yeah.
These are done. Last wall to do. That one. And just like that, it's all wrapped. We got approval from the local kiddos.
I have little friends here.
I guess technically this would be the only area that we would have to wrap, but like it's kind of behind the cab, so I don't know what we're gonna do there. We'll figure that out, but for the most part though, it looks good. It looks fantastic. I'm happy how that turned out. It's a nice like buttery yellow color, and I'm a fan. Shirley actually was not a fan at first, but I think it looks fantastic. Especially for summer, spring, it's very much the vibe. And also, besides the general prep and wanting to finish the wrap, we're really rushing right now because tomorrow night, in about 24 hours, we're gonna head downtown to Chinatown, and we're gonna post up there. We're gonna pop up next to, I think it's Kirin Foods, if I'm not mistaken. But basically, it's gonna be another Daikoku NYC meet, and it's gonna be in Chinatown. It's gonna be at the last spot that they did it at, where they have like 100 cars pull up. They took over like 2 whole blocks. you know, it was like a whole community affairs involved type thing, and they were super down with it. So yeah, it's exciting, and we're kind of a part of a new venture for Daikoku. Stoked to be there, stoked that Stan and the boys and the crew are down to have us. So yeah, we're gonna see you there. Could I please get a lemonade?
Child labor.
And child labor laws.
Water?
Water?
Water's free? How much is water?
How much is water?
$64.
That's
$64.
expensive.
I'm kidding, $1.
Is there gold? Exactly, $1.
That's gonna be the cost of water when you're my age, but you're not.
$5 and 25 cents. You know?
$5.25.
Can I say something?
Wow.
You know, there's little paper. You know, when Easter, my aunt put little papers in the Easter eggs, and then
cute.
I got $100.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Such a lucky egg.
Where's my $100?
I'm never gonna give you $100.
You never asked.
We made it, and we popped up. Not without its struggle. The roof is still not as high as I'd like, not as high as I designed, but whatever, I'll fix that. Lots of dope vehicles out. Got even more cars over there.
Bye.
Pretty dope.
Invite us.
Looks good in here. Sheesh. They're loving it. So we were over there, we just moved over here, more foot traffic. And then there's already like 5 cars in that same spot. And they're kind of bangers too. Damn. With the K-swap hanging out. Shout out to Nick, way before the fame. I feel like that's an Alta Works if I'm not mistaken. Very U. Minus it's 4 spokes on 3, but hey. Fast and the Furious.
What's good, bro? How are you?
What's up, Tom? You slinging lattes today?
No lattes.
No lattes.
Coffees, lemonade, water.
Coffee. Everyone's gonna be up and like, no one's gonna sleep, bro.
That's the point. Everyone's gonna be more hyper than you. This is how car shows happen in the city. You got charter buses coming through, narrowly missing a bunch of nice cars. That's interesting. Just to give you a perspective. Damn. And then it stretches down that way. I must say, by the way, that's one of the cleaner 33s I've ever seen. That's also something that's kind of rare, is very clean. Oh, it's lowered actually too. 3000 GT.
Was it? The
Oh, that's something different. Oh, that's kind of sick. I always love a wide body something, anything. Something different, a beetle. Or a bug, I should say. Whoa, cinema. Update us, Churros.
well, #1 seller is a strawberry lemonade. Yeah, come over here. Come over here. I have lemonade. I have coffee.
So at the car wash, we
We got more stuff this time. We got the lemonades are strawberry and matcha.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, and regular. We got 3 flavors of lemonade.
Update. She sold out. All that lemonade behind her is completely gone. And all these good people, our supporters, have purchased all of it. We thank you all. Shirley thanks you.
#1 seller tonight was the strawberry lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade sold out very
Cookies
quickly.
sold out.
Yeah, cookies, we had chocolate chip cookies, those sold.
And everyone was really surprised to know that I made everything. People got word of that, and then they even came here because they heard that I made it all.
These hands made it today. Lots of fresh squeezed lemonade. We're gonna probably pack up soon because people are starting to leave, and
We got
debauchery starting. So before the debauchery hits, we're probably gonna bounce. And just like that, closing up for the night.
Look at that glow light. How did tonight go, Tommy?
All things considered, went pretty damn well.
I don't think many people knew it pops up and down.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just like that.
just like that. Back to being shorty.
Okay, bye. Here's our truck, fully wrapped up. With the lemonade maker. And yeah, got the pop-out window here. This whole roof rises up and down 26 inches so that I can stand in it. And then yeah, I tinted out the entirety of it. Shirley cleaned up the shit out of it. Got some flares, fender flares, some different wheels, and yeah, that's about that for now.